Thank you so much for your time. We're here at Snowmass, one of America's most popular ski resorts. You've been here for some time. What are some of your favorite things about Snowmass?
Shockingly, it's hard to believe I've been here for 30 years now, and I've seen it grow over the years. The mountain hasn't changed much, the trails are the same, but everything around it is changing. So now we're not just a ski destination, we're an experience for families.
And it's a popular resort with families as well. You've got a great ski school program, really wide runs as well, so great opportunity for people who haven't skied or boarded before to come and actually learn here or get better here.
Yes, so there's something for everyone. 3,300 acres of skiing from the beginner to the expert. The ski school is world renowned for kids ski school as well as the adults. We start them out as infants at 8 months, and then they start skiing at like 1.5 to 2 years old. So we've got beginner terrain, we've got the teaching area up at the meadows. The restaurant is right there. There's a rental shop to get your skis. So it's kind of one-stop shopping for the first-time skier. And then, as you've mentioned, as you get up on the mountain to the Big Burn or Alpine Springs, wide open groomed trails. We're known for our groomed terrain. People love it, want more of it, but sometimes we get powder on it, and we love that too. So we have a little bit of everything.
It's a great thing. It's a nice atmosphere here. The village atmosphere is quite unique for this product, isn't it? In terms of you get here through the woods, and then when you're here, there's just a wonderful, great atmosphere.
So if you ask, a lot of people don't know Snowmass. They know Aspen, although Snowmass is the big one. And when you get here, there's something for everyone. There's slopeside lodging. There's après activities, there's things, if you don't want to ski or a member of your family doesn't ski, there are things to do. You can ride the gondola and watch the kids ski. You can just come and go on the coaster or go tubing. And then, of course, skiing is our #1 product.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks for having me.